There we go. You're blessing me with your presence, baby. I wanna make you mine. I promise I'll be good to you, baby. Loving you on a daily. Just say you'll be my lady for life, for life. Girl, it's driving me crazy, but I promise you I'll be patient. Just say you'll be my lady for life.
You know what you want to do?
Baby, be my world. Let me take you for a ride. Baby, be my world. 'Cause I don't wanna be alone tonight.
Sound like her. Yeah, I'll think it is. You know what I said, man? I think it's just beats. You have the king of Queen of Hearts, and you have the diamonds. Want that one,
My world. Let me take you for a ride.
Hey, you can't
My world. 'Cause I don't wanna be alone tonight.
There'll be no turbulence in the lioness den, so we give a little. Come again. Stars align when your heart touch mine. Burning flames when your eyes meet mine. My love, my love, my love, my love. Oh, what a girl gonna do with the latest trend? 'Cause a girl like me just not gonna pretend. Baby, your love just got me flying. Only you alone can have, can have, can have. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Come again.
Baby, my world. Let me take you for a ride.
My love, my love, my love, my love.
Baby, be my world. 'Cause I don't wanna be alone tonight.
You have to turn, dog.
My love, my love, my love.
It's long. Hey, that's ever. Man. Not Michael Jackson. You know this guy? Michael Bolton.
I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. You said you were leaving. Someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it. Tell me about the plans you're making. Oh, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed
what? You alright? I had the money out. I gotta pay for dreaming. Now the dream has come true. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Well, I've been loving you so long. How am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on? That's a good mix.
Through a few trials and tribulations. Like brother.
Larry. His older brother, he said his name is Larry. Larry. You know my older brother? His name is Terry.
Oh yeah. It's my But that's the thing though, Terry didn't tell me about Larry.
I don't think anybody tells you about Larry. I didn't even know about Larry till tonight. I don't know Larry. You know Larry? I know Terry, but Larry. I never heard that. Who's Larry?
Larry might have dealt me
Oh, you were talking shit about Larry?
He's a beast on the guitar, man.
Oh, what? And you just told me about your brother Larry, and we've been looking for a guitar player for so many years?
For real, man. This guy's crazy, man.
Damn. What? He knows how to do all the chords, and he knows how to
San Diego. Oh, this guy? Chula Vista. Oh, man.
Can I call you Rose? Cause you sweet like a flower.
That's the lane I was going.
Can I call you Rose? Cause your fragrance takes over the room. Baby, I wanna let you in my heart. So
That's after this. That's a good
can I
song.
call
I like that
you
one.
Rose?
That's a good one. Telepath dance? Oh, man.
You know that Trick Doggy Silence, man. The music go loud and you take over it.
That's true.
It is, man. It's very true.
On that Argo, who's around? Who's around?
Bring what out?
Sound quality sound? No quality sound.
Where's that?
But it's for a girl. And it says mommy does that
No, not really. Low quality, he said he
Meditating on love, you, roses.
What you say is a low
The
octave?
universe
No, low quality.
put it in a love song.
Low quality, not a low,
A love song.
what does that mean? What does that mean? Can't what? Oh, you can't count. Why?
Won't you feel your heart?
Why not? What? What does that mean? I don't fuck with people like that, bro. You smoke dope, you got no hope, man. Yeah. Bring wood. You and me. Say kid, dog. Remind me of back in the days when I had Latinos, you know the Latino meme?
Oh, yeah.
Call up channel 92.5. Hey, I want to give a shout out to my Latina. I want to give a shout out to my Jaina. California. And shit. Who the fuck you talking about? Who the fuck is that bitch you talking about? Yvonne, nigga. Maybe I was home. I just got like 2 more months in county town. Thank you for putting all that money in my commissary. I love you, baby.
You know,
Yes, Lord.
we've been together a long time. And you know what? We can get a little old lightweight thing going if we really put our hearts to it. You try, and I try.
Hey, you know I can't believe that
Girl,
was
there's
right,
no
dog.
telling how far we can go. Remember those lovely
That
fools,
fucking
Romeo and Juliet?
comedian.
They thought they had a
He
thing
was
going.
he was hella funny.
They just didn't know. They couldn't visualize. They had no idea how it could really be. But we know nothing without it.
That's a legend. He was still doing videos and shit. You know, he's like a high priest in the Mormon community. How's that? He was cussing this shit on his You know what I mean? Nah, he's changed now. Oh, he ain't going to heaven, that's for sure. He's a Mormon? He's not a Mormon? Yeah, Mormon.
Yes, Lord. We
What do you
know
think about
both
God?
of them. We won't be wasting
Yeah,
our time
we
fussing
Revelations over
fighting
and over again.
like
Get a
others.
different perspective on it.
We're gonna
I
be
walk
too
a lot.
busy being in love.
You know,
But this is the real thing.
You know
we
why?
found the group.
God let all the men first in heaven.
Each other on.
In Revelation,
This
it
will
says
last forever.
that when
All
God
we do
opens
is
up
give
the
some kind
sky,
of sign.
it was quiet for 30 minutes.
From then on, baby, it's easy.
You know what
Let's
that
talk
means?
about me and you.
That no women is talking, so he let the men in heaven first for 30 minutes. You don't get the joke. You don't get the joke, dog.
You know how many gates are in heaven?
7. So they come in through their own gate.
Only 144,000.
Didn't this guy just die like not too long ago?
Yeah. Who did you say who's? Mark?
Jason.
Don't know why,
Sorry about
but I love you, I do.
This is for my baby Sherry.
Sorry, forgive me.
It was a mistake. Please let me back in your heart. Before the song.
Hey, you know a guy named Manny? You know a guy named Manny?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that nigga's a beast.
Yeah, I remember. He was a beast when he was Nigga, you should have told me that your brother Larry knew how to play guitar. I would have told this fool Jay to bring Larry too.
Maybe a good dynamic duo.
Next week.
Oh,
Hey, can Larry. Hey, wait, but we gotta ask Turo if Larry can come next week.
everybody talks about you see
Oh.
Yeah, Spain, you know, Spain's got a weird ass
Cool.
we forgot this
Grandpa.
Yeah. He used to have a weird scene, man.
You know what his disease was? That he died too young, bro. I said, yo, the grandpa was a good man, dog. He was a good man, dude, for real.
I was talking to him. He sent me like images from Hawaii and shit.
He was a good man, dude, for real. I love that guy. He was funny. He was hella funny, dude. All he cared about was his people, man. Cricket, that's it. When we opened the league, no, he loved cricket.
Who was for a second?
Nah, but he's Samoa. He's from Samoa, so he plays cricket.
What's the sport main sport? Cricket or rugby?
Huh?
What's the main sport after cricket or rugby?
In Samoa? That's it. That's all they know. Either rugby mad because there's no money in that shit. They're only getting like 100,000, like not even that, a year in rugby. And they can get a best at it, you know what I'm saying? Unless they go play for all black, you know what I mean? But you gotta be like the best in the world.
Yeah, cool. After this song, after the next song, keep it.
Yep.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Sure. I've been channeling this whole time.
Where?
For like 6 months.
Why?
I don't get money that much, you know? I only make like $65 a year.
Doing what?
They don't give me money now.
Ooh.
Government.
You gotta go to like liquor stores and actually get help and make some money, you know what I'm saying? You still young, you still strong, you know what I'm saying? Little or go down to the store. Yeah. Instead of panhandling, man. You know what I'm saying? That's not good. You gotta work for your money, dog.
Spend the money, that's not
Not even that. Why would you spend it? You gotta save it. Yeah.
myself. But at the same time, I understand why they do it. More safe. Kind of good. More safe. But I understand. But he got the dual parents. The board does the dual parents. Hey, you want to say that?
Not no more. I quit. 16. I was hung on 3 years, dog.
You making money, huh?
Yeah, I'm just rapper.
Yeah,
Remember that?
Oh, what's that one song? Why you, what's our song? It's like, we were like you smoke.
Oh, yeah.
Have you played it? Yeah, is that a song?
I don't have it.
You are that someone I've been
That's what I'm talking about.
He knows, because one time I was a famous rapper, you know what I'm saying? I was like so famous.
Remember that picture? Remember that picture of the wrestler?
Yeah. Uro knows I was a famous rapper.
See the
Remember when I was,
yeah, see, told you. You know what's cool about being big? Like, everything being big and shit?
Yeah.
You get to, like, create your own muscle and shit.
Oh yeah, even my focus big too, so. So it's not only the stomach, it's the focus too.
Oh, you gotta start working out. I'm gonna work out tomorrow and shit.
Yeah. I'm gonna start working out too. Oh yeah.
Oh, girl. I wanna love you. Love you strong. Make it good right down to the bone. To the bone. Cause it's true. I'm thinking about pleasing. Give you all the love you need. Don't go.
What is that song called? That song?
You don't have a name.
Who's drum back to Southwell? I just type in D-Ray.
We were made for each other.
We don't need to listen to shit. So these guys just want to line up. No. We don't need to listen to
and I know you had a lot of love too, but I ain't never nobody that knew the things you do. We go together well like the birds in the trees. I feel the world is troubled down if you wasn't here. Stay, but never mind.
check it down all the way.
Cause you're my kind. Ooh, baby girl, you know that I like what you like. You like what I love, man. We belong together. Ooh, oh, baby, you you want, you got what I want, and we were made for each other, for each other, girl. Oh, girl, you know that I like what you like, I like what I like with that. We were made for each other, girl. Girl, now I got what you want, so don't you ever think about leaving. Oh, baby, oh, girl, I like what you like, 'cause it's you I'm thinking about leaving, baby. Oh, girl, I know that you'll never think about leaving. I need good love, baby. Oh, baby.
This guy is crystal clear.
Just give him his, hey, just keep playing until he gets pointed out.
5'10"? Yeah, that's
You're basically all in. So just play it out, yeah.
Hey, buddy, you remember John's SoundCloud there?
John Mack.
John Mack what?
John Mack, something. It's on SoundCloud.
Hey, Mark. And what was John Mack's SoundCloud? John Mack's SoundCloud? Yeah, John Mack 10 or something?
Yeah.
What's he?
It's Mac 55. Mac 55. MAC Cat 55.
With hearts of gold, now the children of the world can see.
Just click his account, all of his on there. New game, right?
You see, Mom, you so strong. You said you gotta be strong. I fuck my post to the wrong with death, not twice, and the family's home. How you gon' fake the smile? Talking shit in the payback file. 11 months, that seemed like a while. Lost my sister, bro, that's wild. Man, this shit's insane. Too many thoughts been racking my brain. Trying to figure out how to cope in Spain. Taking me back down memory lane. Fuck, I'm mentally drained. Lost my mate, took out the game. Broke my heart when I heard you die. Things ain't never gonna be the same. Wise words you used to speak. Crying tears and time I think that I better change your fate. That they forgive me, God, you fade away. So I'm gonna fight you one. Not to switch, I'm rough as one. Took the sports to early sun. But the dog beat up the drum. G-side of my pain away. Ain't gonna change, still look the same. LBF is still the grace. South Park till I hit that grave. So if you feel how I feel, then you know I don't give a fuck. Should I get this living with us? So if you got one, then light me up. Reach in my pockets and I ain't got none.
You pay already? You pay already? Oh, you make fun of it? You call Mark? No, you said Mark. You get like that. I was like thinking, what shit?
My life was nuts. Get my mind away. Put me up the cut. Give my mind a break. You know,
She knows one of the hardest verses I ever wrote.
Yeah, word. favorite verse from you was that.
My dog is gone now.
Had to ride every sunset. That's my favorite verse.
Right now, Mo, so we do this for you.
Hey,
He's got a great style.
I need to play Cotton Bowl.
Family is really all I need. And it's like the play Cotton Bowl. That's on TV. So feel like I'm you know I don't get no
I think you got an argument with Dave or something.
We got one who still like me up.
Fuck this money. Every time I play with the layouts,
What's he using?
y'all get mad. Y'all get me cracking me up, man.
I think it was.
They be cussing that nigga out. Shut the fuck up, bitch. And one time I played Fortnite. Me, y'all mean, DJing. Losing. I was trash. And then, y'all nigga was like, man, I was trying to play for the back, nigga. Stupid ass nigga. That nigga fucking said, fuck you say, bitch. Nigga, I'll pull up at your house right now. Fuck your ass up. That nigga was quiet.
Oh, wait, I need one.
Yeah, don't let this game get you a fucking head, nigga. Man, these niggas are crazy.
And out.
Cause it's that last stand, competition, I'll take it. Niggas don't understand it, for that reason I'm still praying for better days, a better life is what I'm chasing. Sipping on this
Oh, yeah, I remember now. He told me. What this nigga tell you?
When I miss my dog, I miss my mom, so I miss you, Lord. I'm gonna pray that one day. I think it's all right, no, Super Bowl champion. I know firsthand, no, I don't get no fuck.
Nigga don't disappear on us, huh?
And we should trade that 2 years for Super Bowl. I ain't got none. Got some, I ain't got one.
Give it a 2-1 LT. 2-1 for LT. 2-1 for LT. He cheated and he
Stop second guessing, like shit me with another lesson. Fuck that, I'm gon' keep running. Slug them cause you left us when I know you with no and had a smile. Also told us like one. Fuck that, we gon' burn it up.
This guy sound like a real rapper, huh?
It
sound like a famous rapper. I forgot what his name.
Maybe you're rusty now.
Yeah.
Just like when
Then he's still rusty now.
you gotta keep your faith when time is up. I'm trying to see them days. I know the shit gets treated, and this might get rough.
I remember recording this song.
Until that day,
I came a whole case of 8 balls myself. I recorded like 5 songs. I was faded, man. Crying, dog, crying. It was in the Spring Valley garage.
Hey, remember Chrissy? Smoke shop girl? I was talking to you.
I don't remember. What about her?
I didn't really go to that.
Oh, how? Just rub it up a little bit, that was it? Why you just beat it up? Why? Oh, so you couldn't get it up?
I got a erectile dysfunction.
I know how to fix that.
Sick cat shit going on.
No, I have medicine. You take it. They make all the soft sticks in the whole world get hard, bro.
I'm gonna hit that big cat, jump on text, my baby right.
It's the obesity.
And I think to myself,
So no matter how, you know, pop the whole team he's up, ready to go to battle.
For my family good.
Never fail you again, dog. Never.
One will probably just
Till that day, I'ma raise my cup. Like Moso said, if you got one who's like me good. Until that day,
You want one?
I'ma raise my cup.
No, not right now, because you can jack it off.
You
It's
got
a
one who's like me
Hey, I'll jack
good.
off too much. You know who used to jack off a lot too? Oh, Benny and my dad, bro.
I don't think he's laughing about this school.
Why the hell you say that, fool? How do you know? Huh?
And I want to stay strong. My nigga Tony straight up ain't hold it
That's
down.
crazy,
No, you don't repeat. Yup, from dust to bone, but the system hurt to another result. When you're on your still a disbelief.
Fucking great, dog. You copped them?
Niggas be gone, been waiting on the day for my daughter to come home. I shed my tears, but not no more. I pray you know that I love you, bro. You know I'm always gonna rap it low, and that's for sure. Going past that bro, don't be like what you asking for. What's mine is yours, so don't be asking, bro. Yeah, that type of greed for others before his own needs. Type of
And who set this up?
Now I lay my dog down peacefully. I'ma speak your shit till I hit my brain. Fuck to save my dog to me. Hey, more times ain't here to stay. I don't feel like I feel. You don't give no fuck. So I guess living's enough. If you got one loose, then light me up.
Got some to light me up. Into the drama, into the drama. You marijuana to light me up. Spend this Christmas, lasting all these questions. Counting all my blessings.
Hey, bro, I've been playing this Metro Celebrity game. Ever since I found out I'm a good person, life has been giving me what I wanted and shit. I always used to think negative and shit.
Why?
Because I kept cutting myself out to 50,
I know hard times ain't here to stay. I say Frank, keep moving. As soon as you start losing, you got her, then you lost confused. Stuck in this wrong, what the fuck am I doing? I'm too old for this shit. I already had my time, paid my dues, I'm lost my mind, I'm lost that shine, trying to push that line. You know what I'm saying, gotta grow up. You know what, let me know if that got in the back of my mind. Let me take this shot so death show up, but my casket drop. If you got one,
Wait, everybody out? You're fine, son. You don't care about the grass? Why do you see it? I was supposed to clean out all my gray hairs.
I got too many. My whole fucking head. I just let it grow out of the way.
Anybody else that's real? If you feel like I'm real, you know why I don't give no fuck. You said I guess this is enough. If you got one loose like me up.
Like a rock about I know. I remember telling the story. No, wait that cigarette. Look, let me see that. You waste the whole cigarette, dog. Yeah, smoke it down to the future, man.
You got the damn
Yeah, man. How you doing?
That was the psychology. To make you think you have
Why did they get on
You ever heard the end of this song?
He just played Frankie to us.
We got fucking aces on the game.
Might be one.
More than first page, too.
This is a song you requested?
Open the game back?
Hey, I'm all in.
You know, it's an anime
Or
song.
what I said, it's all in with the key with the three numbers.
It's an anime Bleach.
I'ma light one
Yeah,
up and I'ma
that's-
go it real slow. My niggas all too low. I see what the cross road life is twisted, trying to understand the meaning while I'm sipping on this more. You catching up with all that.
The name of the beat was Bleach.
Had to go, so I figured out the story. My loved ones go. Yeah, I'm only on my way, still going. If I stray, I know I'm moving on my way. The way random to make it out the rapture. Cause the way it's going down seems like a disaster. Never thought about life in the road you can play. Yeah, it's all getting low. You know that first hand though. And I'm keep you more hard, believe it, I'ma do my part. As a father figure to the lives to see that night. The only mind for the sons too was lost to you. Had no clue what to do till your workshop too. And I'm forever blessed for the reason I'ma live on. I'ma stay strong, don't you know the damn where you come. Any kites through these songs, low budget songs. Time to rally up and swoosh in the cup like I'm a
Yeah.
What
the hell? Venom talk it up, dog.
a detour over there.
I'm rolling on my way. Got some good punch, good work.
Drop what?
Wake up
Drop
in
it
the
low,
morning.
drop it low.
Ain't worried about yesterday.
Wow, you don't got the live going, you know.
I'm on that road with
What happened?
my
You drop a load off the top or
stay
what?
rolling, yes, I'm rolling, I stay rolling my way.
Yeah, we got to go. You should have dropped it right here.
On my way, wake up and I'm on my way. Ain't worried about yesterday.
We're
Top
chilling,
down
we're
the
vibing,
street.
vibing.
I'm on that road and in my face I'm rolling.
He told me that he had a brother named Larry that can play the guitar, dog. He said he got a brother named Larry that can play the guitar.
Rolling on my way. The highway to you. Oh, the highway to you.
That's one of the songs.
What's the type of genre we on now?
Rolling on my way. I'ma hold it down for you. Big this stuff and set the ground for you. Yeah, turn it up for the live for you. Till I hear you say that I'm proud of it.
This is the best part of the
Still
song,
one person that got the sound for you. Say, they don't make it like they used to. They don't make it like they used to. The way that's true, so I'ma do it like we used to. I'ma do it like we used to. So until then, rolling on my way.
Hey, look at it. The Bart came out with this hook. Oh, Bart. Hey, this is the hook. Remember you came up with this hook? This one? Oh, there's another country song.
About yesterday, top down in the Chevrolet. I'm on that road, in my place. I'm rolling, I stay rolling.
Hey, bro, that song, Big Boy was on there? That song, you got one more?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, you got song for
Wake up and I'm on my way.
You got song for
Ain't worried about yesterday. Top down in the Chevrolet. I'm on that road, in my place. I'm rolling, I stay rolling. Yes, I'm rolling, I stay rolling my way. Yeah, rolling on my way.
Yeah, you know, I'm
Highway to you.
You got sister and
Whoa,
yeah, let's see.
highway to you.
Keep the same vibe,
Lost in the middle. Drinking is my remedy. I'm drifting on the memory, so far away. Heard it come my way.
Nope.
Depends on where I stay. Mama said it'd be okay. In the days we ain't nothing. Break the break the mission, get something. We all we had. 7 kids and mom and dad. In a broke down bed. This time being there. And I couldn't feel sad. No, I had to keep it rolling. Never knowing these hard times going. We got slow. I got to keep going. I got to keep flowing. This depression got me counting blessings, living hard lessons like if I
I can't believe we can blow up, dog. This is music.
It was our dedication. We didn't have it.
Bro, this music is harder than any Samoan.
You know what's funny?
Ever, man.
This is the same fucking, same way I'm spinning today. This shit right here.
Yeah.
Same way Paul, you know what I mean? Nothing didn't change, the same recipe.
Yeah.
Can I pick a song?
The SoundCloud?
Yeah. It's kind of like an artist. Which one? You want YouTube?